Welcome to the Toolbox. The Toolbox is a used repository of team tools. We see it as a gym for teamwork. And just as with going to the gym, you get better over time if you repeatedly do different exercises. In this video, we will cover both how you find the right tool for your team and then how you use a specific tool. There are 3 ways to find the right tool for your team. 1. Check your team radar report. It recommends tools based on the team radar outcomes as well as your team composition. Secondly, you can search the full toolbox and, for example, type in goals. You immediately see tools being filtered that contain the word goals. Thirdly, you can use the filters. For example, the size of your team, the topic you like to use, how difficult or easy the tool is, the team development phase, or how much time you have available. You can also sort tools based on the number of bookmarks or the page views. So for example, 5 fingers is most viewed by other users that fits your needs. So let's look into a tool. Here is the bookmark button. So if you like a tool, you just bookmark it, it gets on your team page, and you and your whole team can find it back easily. Then each tool starts with a summary. Within 1 or 2 sentences, you know what the tool is about. Then under the picture, every tool has a step-by-step instructions. It mostly has some download content like templates, or videos or articles to read. You also find tags for which team size we think it's suitable, the team radar statement it is linked to, how easy or difficult it is, or the duration we expect that it will take you with your team. And finally, there are related tools that you can do before or after this exercise, or tools that have a similar approach or a goal. And you find comments from other users or from us about how to use the tool. So if you have tips after you've used it, great if you can add it, and everybody benefits from it. So when you found the tool you'd like to use, well, first of all, we recommend that you really check and read through a couple of the tools before you choose the one that fits you. The time tags are just an indication. And as you can see, there's quite a big range. Our biggest recommendation might sound strange. Do not follow the script step by step. So just read it and see as if this is as just how one team can do it. We really recommend that you make your own version, how you like to do it with your team. Something that fits your facilitation style or fits the needs of the teams. There are really different ways to do each exercise. In the text, we also signal if the tool is easy, average, or hard. We use the hard label for tools we only recommend to trained facilitators, experts on the topic, or really high-performing teams. But in the end, it's your own call, of course, if you like to facilitate a specific exercise. Just know that for each tool, we have coaches available that can talk you through it or even facilitate an exercise for your team. So that's the tool page. Enjoy the exercises with your team.